Hi, my name is Trevor Stephenson, and I did my research paper on variance analysis. I used 3 different articles, all going into different areas of variance analysis, and I'm going to go and talk about each of these 3 articles. The first article is called On the Mathematics of Variance Analysis, written by Xanatos. In this article, Xanatos, he says that all variance analysis equations and numbers come from one equation: budgeted overhead equaling fixed costs plus the scalar of variability multiplied by volume. And he says that you can manipulate this equation in order to reach all other equations that give us the variance analysis that managers use today. He says that it is the manager's job to interpret that data, and that without an interpretation, that data is useless, and that we can't ever arrive at any decisions without the interpretation. My second article was called Variance Analysis Using Throughput Accounting, written by Bukovinsky and Talbot. This article, you could kind of tell that the authors were upset. They claim that the workplace is using the wrong numbers to incentivize managers. So you know how managers, they have a quota that they have to reach, and they say this is completely wrong. They hypothesize that by using throughput costing instead of absorption costing or variable costing, using throughput, we can arrive at a variance analysis of just the direct materials, which is the only thing that will change over the time period. And so they think that all other costs are just period costs, and you just need to focus on the direct materials. And that by so doing, you will figure out a way to overall help the company to arrive at a more profitable state. The last article that I went to was Variance Analysis, a Unifying Cost Function Approach. This one was written by Darrow. Now Darrow, he goes into detail about how all the budgets, they're outdated when we start using them, and that what we need is a cost function to account for substitutability. And by doing so, we can create an analysis that will constantly change as the inputs of that function change. And by so doing, we have greater ability to analyze our data as we go through our business processes. And the conclusion that I have arrived at is that yes, mathematics are great. Yes, variance analysis is amazing. The main focus that we need to realize is that A, we need to incentivize using the right numbers, and we need to get at a function, an equation that will give us the best information available to get those numbers to make our company profitable. And that is my presentation on variance analysis. Thank you.